So this is my project. I didn't get to do a lot of what I wanted to do with it. Um, let's see. Well, since it was wind based, I decided to do like a tornado. Unfortunately, the stuff that I wanted to import for this didn't it didn't want to work. I had a lot of problems with this one. I'll probably have to redo it, but I put a bunch of little platforms. They're slowly moving forward, and they're some of them are booby trapped. Let's see if I can find which ones are. Let's see. I know there's one of these. Oh, there it is. One of them. That was one of them. Its character can't actually interact with it, so they just fall on through. Some of these have an invisible block in front of them. Though I think those are further on ahead, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get over there. These things, which are supposed to be like debris, can knock you off. Let's see if I can reach them. Okay. Well, okay. Well, there's that. Uh, this is like pretty simple um, rotation and movement for these things. Yes, for like the luck all dynamic for this one. Disappearing ones. I changed it to no collision. Pretty simple stuff. A lot of stuff that I wanted to do didn't turn out right. So I'm definitely gonna redo this one in my own time.